The Chalukya Dynasty. The Chalukya dynasty was an ancient Indian dynasty that ruled over parts of southern and central India from the 6th to the 12th century CE. The Chalukyas played a significant role in the political, cultural, and architectural history of India. Here are some key aspects of the Chalukya dynasty. Early Chalukyas. Dynasty was founded by Pulakeshin I in the 6th century CE, with their capital initially at Badami, in present-day Karnataka. The early Chalukyas, also known as the Badami Chalukyas, consolidated their power and expanded their territory through military conquests. They ruled over a vast area, including parts of present-day Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Architecture. Chalukyas were great patrons of art and architecture. They developed a unique architectural style known as the Chalukyan style or Badami Chalukya architecture. Prominent examples of their architectural marvels include the rock-cut cave temples at Badami, Aihole, and Pattadakal. The Chalukya temples are known for their intricate carvings, distinctive towers, shikhras, and beautiful sculptures. Dynasty split. The 7th century CE, the Chalukya dynasty split into two branches, the Eastern Chalukyas and the Western Chalukyas. The Eastern Chalukyas had their capital at Vengi, in present-day Andhra Pradesh, while the Western Chalukyas continued to rule from Badami. This division resulted into separate lines of Chalukya rulers with different political and cultural influences. Rashtrakuta conflict. The Western Chalukyas faced significant conflicts with the Rashtrakuta dynasty, another powerful dynasty of the Deccan region. Rivalry between the two dynasties continued for several centuries, with frequent wars and shifting alliances. The conflict between the Chalukyas and the Rashtrakutas shaped the political landscape of the Deccan during that period. Cultural contributions. The Chalukyas made substantial contributions to the cultural and literary development of South India. They patronized Sanskrit literature and scholars, and several important works were composed during their reign. The court of the Chalukya kings became a center for learning and artistic pursuits. Successor states. The Chalukya dynasty faced a decline in the 12th century CE due to internal conflicts and invasions by the Western Chalukyas. After the decline of the main dynasty, several successor states emerged in different regions, such as the Hoslas in Karnataka and the Kakatiyas in Telangana, who inherited and further developed the Chalukyan legacy. The Chalukyas left a lasting impact on the cultural, architectural, and political history of India. Their architectural achievements, especially the cave temples and structural temples, continue to inspire awe and admiration. The dynasty's contributions to literature, language, and regional development have played a vital role in shaping the identity of the regions where they ruled.